Kevin, Red Living Philippines. So I'm going to show you the outside. There's been some progress after the last week or two since the last video. Some grass, some walkways, moving some plants around and things. So let's walk around the yard and see what's changed. Alright. We had these stumps scattered about the yard. They're dead, but they use them to splice plants together and grow stuff. They like tie it to it. So move those over here. Still need to trim up some of those bushes over there. This needs to be de-weeded, and we're going to get some topsoil to spread it out level in there. Kind of de-weeding these plants, these hedges. I don't think I mentioned it, or I did mention it, that this yard was washing down into where the gate slides, so we had this that little thing built, that curb or strip. Cleaning out some more weeds, moving some trees around. We had a couple gates built, one on each side of the house, so the dogs, we can just close them when the dogs are back there, so they don't chase us out the front gate when we pull the vehicles out, so we don't have to chase the dogs around, put them on leashes and tie them up. So you just go on the other side, close the gate, and don't worry about it. Leave them in the back running around. Some of the plants have been moved up here to the carport rooftop patio. Still a work in progress. But yeah, you see we got some plants up here now. I'm not sure what they are. Best of all, we have grass in the backyard and most of the walkways done. As you can see, there's grass down there now. Frog grass. Need to go get a couple more bags. They had like 100 bags delivered. It did about half. We got another 100 delivered. But yeah, there's the grass. We have a yard now. There's the grass. And the walkway. We need to get sand to put in it. So they delivered these grass in those sacks over there. We're probably going to need, but maybe 8 more sacks?
Yeah. No, we're trying to, because I'm getting rid of that over there. We might not need any.
Anyhow, they're going to move some grass over here, so this is all done.
Because I'm going to, like we talked about.
Oh, extend that out into the corner.
That out and then move it over there. So all that grass can go here.
So you got the patio here with the pavers.
So I'm just gonna do this.
That one there.
Making this bigger like you suggested.
We're making that bigger for the pump for hand washing some clothes. Still got to work on the garden, of course, after the yard's done. So this walkway here, we just bought pavers for this one instead of having them made. I'm going to extend this walkway, move this grass. Extend this walkway down across here and into the back because they store like the recyclables and the, like all my vodka bottles I've acquired. But like all the returnable, the beer bottles, the Coke bottles, and some recycles they stash here till we return them. Use it for miscellaneous storage. He's working on making the pavers in here. So you're gonna have the doorway and the screen's out front. Gonna roll. Got my grill moved over here. Gotta have my smoker moved over here. Don't know what we're gonna do with the dog. Give them away, raffle them.
Which one?
Just kidding. All of them.
The what?
Dogs.
The dog?
Give them away, raffle them. And this place is still a mess, but slowly. Gotta finish the gravel. This is where he's making the cement. Finish burying this stuff. The PVC or whatever they call it here. The water lines. Gravel up to here. We'll probably put grass up here in the front. But here's the other gate. Need to finish painting it to keep our pack of wild dogs in the back and trying to leave with the vehicle. Probably gravel up to this corner of the house. Put grass in here. Eventually, with a walkway through here over to there. You can see it gets trampled quite a bit. Probably put some more pavers or have some made. Haven't decided. My wife was talking maybe in the walkway here to put a trellis or something with some plants growing over it. So that's the yard. So there's the walk around. We have a walkway and grass. I have a yard. Just need to finish the scaping and cleaning up for the last remaining couple of projects. So Kevin, Red Living Philippines, thumbs up, thumbs down, leave a comment, subscribe. Hope you enjoyed the video. Have a nice day.